Alright, let's check out the store. Woo's Warehouse. This is the Ninjago World section, I believe it's called. That's where it's located. And next to Ninjago, the ride. Of course, there's also the exit for the ride, too. There's a little film in here, but I don't think I ever did a video just dedicated to it. They have some nice sunglasses. $13.99. $11.99. Of course, you want to dress up as the characters. I wonder how much these are. $74.99 for this one. You have the mask. I'm not sure. You have to buy this separate. That's $9.99. It's basically cheap plastic. Of course, lots of Legos. This is nice and cool in here. We have these things. I don't know. Oh, $9.99 for it. Pretty cool. Of course, they have like axes and fake knives and stuff. It's interesting. $24.99 for that. Because they have some cool sweets. 99 cents. Sweet birthday cake popcorn, pucker power. Pretty cool. Some nice keepsakes. Hallmark. $15.99. That's neat. Nice cup. I've seen one of these before. $24.99. Expensive but nice. I'm not going to show everything like that. That's $22.99. Mr. Snake here. $16.99. She got some books. Nice clock. $32.99. Maybe some spot checking. This $29.99. I'll point out how much this one is. That's $229.99 for this one. That's not even the most expensive Lego set I've seen here. I've seen more money than that. These are cool. I've seen these before. $5.99. Pretty neat.
Wait, are we getting one?
And that's where the cashier is. Cash out. Hi. Of course, they have some put together for you to look at. Give you an idea if you want to buy one. So that would take forever. Hats. $18.99. More stuffies, snakes. $16.99 for one of these. They have some little purses or bags. $21.99 for that one. And this one is $27.99. $19.99 for that shirt. I'm not going to show the price for everything, just give you like kind of a sample of it. I like the decorations. And even with that door wide open, it's pretty cool in here. Okay, so that's the exit from Ninjago, the ride. And you can buy copies of the photo down there that you had taken on the ride if you want it. It's nice mugs. $16.99, very nice.
$374.
Yeah.
I forgot that went up $1 on the last night.
How like
Show you around one more time. Oh, maximum occupancy, 893 people by this whole building. Show you one more time.
we go to shopping. Just going to buy a fish.
Now, how is this? What time is it?
Okay, that's it. Quick little walk through the store. Any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.